How to set up mobile banking in the Alterna Bank application. Hello, welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. First of all, you can head over to their official online banking website, which is this one, alterna.ca. So just go ahead and tap on that particular website on your browser and open up their official banking website. Once you are here, you will be finding their page with ads and everything. You can check it out if you prefer. After that, you can look out for the login option in the top right corner of the particular website and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to their login page. You can wait for it to load up and you will be found in this section right here where you need to enter up your credentials, your member account, your ID, and then your password to log in into your account. But since you do not have an online banking yet, if you'd like to set up the mobile banking, what you need to do is you can select this option called Don't Have Access, Register to Login. So you can find this option right here and go ahead and tap on it. And it should open up the space and it will give you option to register for online banking quick. So you can just go and look out for the Start Now option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may follow up the process. So when you're registering first time, what you need to do is they will ask you your member/your account number. So you can provide in your account number in this box right here, and right below it, you need to provide in your year of birth. So just go and provide in your valid year of birth and you need to complete this profile setup for 4-step verification. They will ask you for your verification, something on file, email or phone to confirm your identity. And then you can just go ahead and create up a password that meets their requirements, accept the terms and conditions or online access terms agreement. After that, you will be having credentials to log into via app or website. You can head back once your account is created to their login page like this, and here in this box enter up your login ID for Alterna Bank. After that, you will need to enter your password, tap on continue and login, and once you are logged in, you can view your account balances and recent transactions and anything within your mobile banking application. And that's it. So that is it for today's video. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.